What are we doing, guys? You okay? Once again, a quick tip when making the panels up. You get yourself a pencil, you get a bit of sticky tape, a bit of masking tape. Make sure this is sort of square on, right? And then you chase the actual groove with the pencil. Then you could cut it with scissors, that sort of shape here, there, and then you can weld it on.